We will start now in 4 minutes. I'll just wait till the clock is 9. Now let's give some people time to get in. I will just post in different places that we are live. Let me just do that. Let's see if we can get in some people this Saturday morning. Now let's see. Okay, so we are going to trade some binary option, and let's see how much money we can make this Saturday morning. We will still wait 3 more minutes before we start, so hopefully come in some people, so I don't need to be trading here by myself. But it's okay also. It's recorded, so yeah, you can see this later, of course. If you see this as a recording, you will find a link below the video, so you can use the same broker I'm using. Also, when you see this later on, you will also have a link in the chat, so you can use the same broker if you feel for copying what I'm doing. While we are waiting, we can take a look at some of the trades we did yesterday. Let's push close the trades. So here you can see, so you have something, so you can what you can expect in this session. You can see we won here, one, then we lost 1, lost 2, and we won 2 after. So this was basically a hedging trade. I will teach you that if necessary in this session. So basically the losing trade, we basically just lost $10, and all the another ones here are pure profit. So, but we will start now in 2 minutes. I will wait 2 more minutes. While we are waiting, I see there are now 2 people. Make sure you hit the like button so we get more people in. More people that see this session, more fun it is for me to do this, and I will do this regularly. So make sure you hit the like button so we get more people in. Also tell me where you're from in the chat, and if you are new to trading, or if you are following me from before, if you're making money, all this good stuff. Also, if you're copying my trades, I would love to hear how you're doing also. And if you also want me to test out some type of strategy, I'm all for that also. Just post it and I will check it out. We will start in 1 minute, so let's give it 1 more minute before we start. As always, I will go through every pair. How long time we trade basically depend on how many people that join in. This might be 1 hour, this might be even more than 1 hour. So let's see how many we can get in a Saturday. Many for me can be a little for you because I'm new to this live. I have been doing live now for I will say for a few weeks now. I think I'm the only YouTuber that actually trade binary option and Forex live every single day. Okay. Austria. Cool. And you are new to my channel. You have been trading here before. Are you trading on this broker? Are you trading on other brokers? This also is something I would like to know, because I'm not locked completely to this broker. I will use it in this session, but also I'm thinking of doing more live sessions for pocket option. So if that's something you all want, tell me about that also. For people that see this as a recording, because I think most will see this as a recording, put in the comments below if you want me to use another brokers. I'm open for any broker basically. I think I will start now, and let's see what we can find for this session. As always, I just start with the first pair. Now let's see. So first of all, I will do $100 trades in this session. I'll use the time frame 30-second close. This I will change for each time. And time frame, now let me see. It's set to 2 minutes here now. Let me see if that is a new thing here now. Let me just confirm that. Looks like it's a new thing. Okay. That's completely okay. Now, we will now go from the start. We will use candle chart. Okay. So what we are looking for now is specific areas where we can clearly see that the markets have support and resistance. With this broker, I like to trade only support resistance. For example, pocket option, there I like to trade with trend lines. So it's a very different style of trading. Let's close this to here. Here we basically see nothing, so let's move on. And for any new people come in, check the link in the chat. So if you want to copy what I'm doing. Now, from the start here now, we can clearly see that we do have a, let's make a new one there. We do have one here. It's our, there. Let's zoom in so we can get it in the best position. So it's a binary options sell line for Australian dollar against Switzerland at 0, 60, 64, 26. I will post this in WhatsApp, Telegram and Twitter, just so we get more people to join in. And also I know there are some people that is not able to follow the live stream but still want to copy what I'm doing. So we are now ready to take trades here. I will now, as fast as I can, try to post this in the groups while we still follow this one here. So now let's see. So now if we come up to this red line, we will basically just push down. It's that simple. And once again, if you are trading together with me, let me know. And let me know if you're winning or losing the trades. Now let's see. Okay, cool. Then if you have a count these two places, then you're good to go. Basically also if you want a super count in pocket option, I have one for you there. Basically what I'm giving 60% of my affiliate income back to my users. So if you want cash back on every single trade you do, make sure you take advantage of that. Wait, I can find that for you if you're interested. Let me just see if I can find it while we are waiting. So we are now ready, by the way, to take a sell trade on the red line. But while we do that, I'll just give you this link if you're interested. If you open a new account there, of course you need to close your old, withdraw your money, whatever, and open with this link you see there. Then you get a super account with pocket option. So it's beneficial for you, and also of course I will still make my last 40% of as affiliate, but it's something for you to think about if you want, of course. Now let's see, we are getting close to our line up here now. Let's see. So our target is to basically sell on this red line. Looks like we might get that very soon. I will zoom in so we are ready. The problem is that we do have some type of resistance around here, so he need to break that first. But looks like he want to do. Let's see. And if you hear some crazy sounds in the background, sorry for that. I'm in the middle of Sao Paulo. It's a quite big city in Brazil. So sometimes we basically just get these crazy sounds. So don't think about that. Okay, now let's see. If we can just get up to this red line, we will push the down button. We are getting very close. Would be nice to get a good start of this Saturday morning. We are not going to use any martingale or nothing scary in this session. We are basically just going to take trade by trade. The only thing we will do, if I see a cross of this red line that is start to go upwards, I will just make a pending position, not a pending, but a hedging position the another way. So that means if you choose them to continue up or down again, we are basically just losing the difference between the two trades. In that way, we will only lose $8 compared with $100. This is so we can keep our losses smaller. And I'm in a little bad entry. But let's see. Hopefully it's good enough. I will open one more there. That was a better entry. And I see he start to go up, so then we open two pending positions up. Two, not pending, but two hedging positions. So in that way, we keep our losses lower. Of course, if we lose these two, then that will be bad. Let's see now how this plays out. Now you want that one. Okay, this hedging did not go so well. We will open one more there now. Now this will turn into support. And there. So if we now take a look at how things looks like right now, we basically lost 3 trades and we won 2, so we are a little more than 100 down, but it's still good. Then I think we can continue to a new pair. Now let's see. Here we see nothing. We do have a line up here. Let's zoom in. we will take trade on this line. Let's wait and see. Let's change it to 30 seconds. This is something you need to remember. Every time you change in between, you need to remember to change this to 30 seconds. Now let's see if we can get this in order. We are ready to go in on the line. If you can just find one good line, we can print some money. Basically, that's what you're doing here now. We are just hunting a good line to trade. Almost in. There we are in. Very late entry. Now let's see how that turns out. Most of the time we see close below that region, so I think we don't need to go in one more time. Looks like we're going to win that trade. Yeah, we won that trade. Then we start to be better here now. If we win one more, we are in profit. So if you come up again, I will go in again. Hopefully we can get a little better entry, so we are more secure. Quite good entry. I'm not 100% satisfied, but it's good enough. So now we just need to wait again, more 18 seconds, to see if we can turn this to a profit trade. If we get up, I will see if I get a better entry. Oh, that was a very bad entry. That was a better entry. We did win the first trade, by the way. Now let's see how this one turns out. Now we want to look for hedging. Now let's see how this plays out. That was terrible. Okay, we are not doing so hot from this morning. Let me see now. We are $100 up here, so we are around $300 down for now. This was not expected, but I think we will take up trade. If we go above, let's see if we can find a better line. I think we will turn over now to, let's do $500 trades. Let's find a better line. You see what I'm doing here now? Because my balance I always say I can use between 2 and 3% of my balance. So if I see that if I lose a hedging trade like this, then I go in and I fix it after. Because I can basically do $1,000 trades on this account and still be good. So you need to, basically you can use max 2-3% of your balance in each trade. That's why I always do like that. But of course, then we stop using hedge. Now let's see. Let's continue. Down here, I can see we have something. Let's mark it with a green line. There. So if we come down to this line, we will push up. So we are trading on Saturday morning, and it's live. For people that see this as a recording, of course. Now let's see. And if you want to use the same broker like me, you find a link in the chat. Now let's see if we can get in a trade on this green line. Now we're getting close. And we are in. Quite good entry. I'm satisfied with this entry. We are not going to hedge or nothing now. No, we just need to wait and see how this turns out. Now I will check very fast if we have some people live. Yes, we have 5 people. I see we only have 5 likes, so make sure you push the like button if you are going here and looking now. And we lost that trade. We go in again with a better entry. And he's breaking the line. We are very unlucky in this session, I need to say. We are not printing money now, no, we are spending money. But okay, if this will be a losing session, I take it. Now let's see. Now looks like we're turning profit at least. So now let me just check now how we are looking all over. If we are down or if we're up. I need to check that just so we have an idea. So we have minus 200 here, minus 200. Then we have plus 92, plus 92. Then we have minus 100, minus 100. Here we have plus 92, plus 95, plus 95, minus 100. Okay, let's see. Then we have 1000, 1, 2, 3, 1300 minus 1300. And then we have plus 960, plus 960. So we have a profit of 594. I'm satisfied with that. So let's continue. Now let's see. Let's find another pair. I want to find a good line to trade. I see nothing here. Let's continue. No. Down here we have a line, but it's not so strong, so let's move on. I want to have a strong, good line to trade now. Once again, if you want to copy what I'm doing, you find a link in the chat. And you get 200% on your first deposit as a promo. You have a promo code there also to use. Let's move on. Okay, I still do not see anything I want to trade here. At the same time, tell me where you're from in the chat. And if you're new to trading, or if you've been trading with me for a while. Because if you've been trading with me for a while, you should have made money, because even though the win rate don't look so good here now, we can take a look at that, by the way. How is the win rate now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trades. I'll basically say here also. So 15 trades, and out of 15 trades we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So not the best win rate, but also much of this was because of this hedging that did go wrong here, but we did turn into profit after. Because when I have a super bad hedging, I changed my bid size because, like I said, my account, and you should do the same. You max use 2-3% of your balance. So if you take that for my account here now, we have 35,786 plus, let's say, 3%. I can basically use almost 1,100 each trade if I want to. So even this is low for me. So I have much to go on. So that's why when I trade 100 and I get a hedging super wrong, where I first get a bad entry, then I go in one more and I take 2 hedging and I lost all of them, so I lose 400. Instead of be striving to turn profit, then I change my bid to 500 because I'm still way below what I can trade on my account. So it's basically a strategy I have. So I still turn profit. Because for me it's very important to turn profit every single day. Through live sessions just like this one, I've been trading now for more than 1 year and I only have 6 losing days. So, and the biggest losing day I think was like 1,000 something. Most the other losing days was just talking about like 100. One day was like $50 something. And our bigger winning day, it's quite good, to be quite frank with you. You can see already today we are 500 up, and I don't consider this a good day yet. So we are printing money here. I basically started with $100 myself, and I have also withdrawn a lot, and you can see the balance is almost 36,000. So I will say we're doing quite good. I did, for example, I did withdraw now just a little while ago, $6,000. Because I just withdraw what I need. I rather want to have a big safe account. So now let's see if we can find ourselves a good line to trade. Good line for me is a place where we don't have a spike that break it. And here we see a spike that break it, so I don't like it. Now let me see if someone is writing. Dollar against Chinese, let me check that one. Thank you for that. USD, let me go down. I think it was this one you said, right? Let me check. You are correct. We have a beautiful line there. I will trade together with you. Now let's see. I'm in there. I got a good entry. I had it in 5 seconds. I see that I would have won, by the way. So I'm good. There we made another $500. Thank you so much for that line. This is the advantage when you're trading together. We can help each other. We define beautiful lines to trade. So thank you so much for that. Now let's see how much money we can make on this line. So now let's see. Let me see what I had here in the calculator. 594 was our profit. 594 plus another 475. So we basically have $1,069 profit till now. Let's see how much we can make. I will now change this back to 100 just to secure my profit, and let's continue. If we come down to the line, we will push up. And thank you again for this amazing line. We are in. Yeah, good entry. I love it. There's now just sit and wait. And most probably we win that trade also. So now we just need to wait our 20 seconds and we are printing some more money, basically. I will be quite surprised if we lose this trade, because if you look from the past here now, I think it's just one bar that would have lost us that trade. And there we won that trade also. So we made ourselves another $95. So now we are at 1,164. I think I'll promote that to the group, so we may be getting some more people. More fun if you're getting more and more people getting longer IO trade, basically. So let's post that. How much profit I said I have? 1,164. Just so we grow here now. And everyone that come in, if you have not done so yet, make sure you hit that like button, because people, because it's a little boring when you have just a few. I know I'm just a small YouTuber here, but I think also I am the only one that actually do this live for binary option every single day. I actually have not seen anyone do live like this, because most of them hide behind their screen and are editing their trades. So it looks like they have these super good strategies, but in reality they are losing money. I am here live every single day and making money. So there's that. So I really hope we can grow, so we can start to have more people trading together, because that will be fun. And I love when people tell me a line like this. I really appreciate it, because then we also can have a community where we can talk together, we can share our trades. I love that. That makes it also more fun for me to do this, because more money I can make also is make it fun. So till now we have $1,164 profit. That is amazing. And our win rate right now, we are now in plus, basically, even if you have done just 100 trades. So I just turn it over to 500 just because of this hedging trade that did go wrong in the start. So now let's see how we can do here. Now let me just check the chat. Like I said, tell me where you're from in the chat. I would love to know that. And also it's just one writing here now. If we have more people that can be live here now, will be more fun also. Now let's see, we will push the up button again if you come down to this green line. We have been live now for let me see, 33 minutes. If we start to cross this area up here, I think I'll stop. So we can make ourselves a line here. If we could, we'll take that one to a line like this. If I cross above this blue line we see here, I will start to look for another pair, because then we probably will be away from the market for a few minutes, and then I'm not interested more. So if you cross this blue line, I'm not trading on the blue line, misunderstand me correctly. This is just a measure line for me to move on from this pair. But at least we got in two beautiful trades here, so I'm happy with that. And yes, we're getting some likes here. We have 7 likes now. If you're new and you have not pushed the like button, make sure you push the like button so we get some more people in. Now looks like we might cross this blue line. If we do so, I will. No, we are still below it, so we'll still be here. Also, if anyone else see a good trade just like this one here, tell me and I will go in and check it and we will trade the line together. I have asked the broker to add the option to have multiple small windows, so like they have in IQ options. That will be a cool thing to have here also, so you can follow many at the same time. Only reason I don't use IQ options on my live stream is because they are very regulated, and there are so many countries that can't use them. A lot of countries in Europa, I know United States can't use them. We need a broker like this that is basically open for everyone. So in my live streams I will only use for now IQ options, like IQ Sense and Pocket option. I will use Pocket option also. I just did not do it in this session, but I think I will do a live session tomorrow, and we can do Pocket option in the live stream tomorrow. Let's do that. I will set up that a little later today. So I have not decided which time I'll do it. I will check a little with YouTube which time most of my subscribers are live, and we do Pocket option tomorrow, so make sure you check that. Now we can see we are moving away from our line, so let's move on. I don't remember exactly where we were, so let's start here to see if we can find something more to trade. Here I basically see nothing. Let's move on. Sorry for the coughing, I'm not 100% yet, but I'm getting better, so we don't have this annoying video of me coughing all the time. Let's see, we are starting to go through all the list here now of pairs, but I'm happy we got in a few good trades today. Here, like here for example, you see a beautiful line down here, but as you see we are too far away, but this is a line I would happily have been trading. Now let's move on, and here I see nothing. I think the next is the one you are trading just right now. We have just two pairs left. Here also in the bottom you see a beautiful line that we could have been trading, but as you see we are very far away. Then we have just one left, dollar against svenska kronar. Let's see. I think that one also, we just have two confirmations. That is not good. We actually have three. Now I'm a little more interested. No, the lines are not aligned correctly. So I think we stopped there. We did quite well in this session also. I will do a live session again tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do it on Pocket option, so make sure you tune in then. I will post later in all media like Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, there with a link to my YouTube live session for tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I will take it 9 tomorrow, so GMT -3. But you will see, because when you put up this, you will basically see a timer and you can put alert also in YouTube. So make sure you go in and see it tomorrow. And be ready then for future sessions with me. I do sessions every single day, basically live. Mostly on this broker, but I'm also doing Pocket option. So if you want to copy me for tomorrow, make sure you join with my Pocket option super link. I give 60% of my affiliate income back to you. You are welcome. And also if you want to follow this, what I'm doing here on this broker, you find link below the video when you see this as a recording, and if you're live now, it's in the chat. So with that, I see you all tomorrow and have an amazing Saturday.